Here's the Traxxas Rustler. This is the two-wheel drive, so it's just rear-wheel drive. We'll show you the insides here. And the suspension is really soft. Yeah, it's really soft suspension. You got 2 different tires here, and that way you can go up and down curbs. So let's see you jump it off a curb. And this is the slow mode. It goes double the speed in fast mode. Can you do a brake turn? Can you show me your brake turn? Do one more. That was great. Brake turn. Nice. All right, have fun. Go. Fast. Brake turn. Nice. All right. Is it pretty easy to control?
Yeah.
And how old are you?
4.
Yep. So this is a 4-year-old driving.
On the box it says only for 7-year-olds.
Yeah, but it's easy enough to drive? You figured it out?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, so this thing's super fun. For reference, I'm 25, he's 4. We both get to have a blast with it. Brake turn. Nice. Pretty easy to control. Suspension's great, and it is really fast in fast mode. And even in slow mode, I have fun. What's interesting is the suspension is so soft that, go in reverse. The suspension's so soft that if you try and do donuts with it, there it goes up the curb. If you try and do donuts with it, the front wheels just lose traction because the thing just squats in the back. So Levi, can you bring it next to my camera? And then stop right here. Okay, hold on. And when I tell you, just go straight. So watch how much that back squats. Ready, go. So that back squats a lot. It does wheelies in fast mode and stuff. And it's really fun, it's got a good range. The battery is sold separately. We got a pretty big battery.
Yesterday the battery was like broken.
Yeah, yesterday we had a bad connection, but we fixed it. And now the battery's good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you're looking at a Traxxas Rustler, this has been a very enjoyable toy for both a young child and a big child. So have fun. Links are in the description. If you have questions, leave them below. But we're gonna go play with our toy.